In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and export a design from Figma to Canva, maintaining high quality every step of the way. Whether you're new to design or just getting started with these tools, I'm here to guide you through the process with clarity and ease. So let's dive in and get started on this creative journey. First things first, if you haven't done so already, you'll need to open Figma. If you're new to Figma, no worries. Just search for Figma in your favorite search engine and follow the instructions to create a free account. The sign-up process is straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage, which is where all the magic begins. Now, direct your attention to the Design tab. Clicking on this tab is where you'll embark on your creative endeavor. This area is essentially your canvas, and here you'll create the frame that you're planning to export. Think of it as the foundation of your design project, so take a moment to envision what you'd like to create and get comfortable with the features Figma has to offer. Once your frame is ready to go, the next important step is exporting. Look for the export option and click it. This feature is pivotal because it will allow you to choose the format that best suits your needs. For our purposes of transferring this design to Canva, we're going to choose the SVG format. The reason we opt for SVG is its capability to maintain the high quality of your image when imported into Canva. This ensures that all those intricate details and vibrant colors you worked hard on remain intact. With the SVG format selected, it's time to focus on the specifics of your social media project. Go ahead and click on the frame. From there, you'll want to select the social media option. For this demonstration, we're choosing a Facebook post, but this method is applicable to any social media platform you have in mind. After you've marked these selections, scroll down on the left-hand side to find yet another export option. Double-check that your chosen format remains as SVG. Attention to this detail is crucial for achieving the best results in Canva. And that's it. You've now successfully created a design in Figma and exported it in a way that preserves its brilliance for Canva. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different designs and formats to hone your skills even further. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating.